Happy birthday, it was my birthday.
Ah, okay, God bless you. You're looking
I
well.
love you.
Thank you. I love you too, darling. Thank you very much. Okay, is there anything else you guys would like me to do or say a dialogue?
Yeah,
or
one
something?
question. One more
Hello,
question.
I'm up here. Hi, Charlotte.
Is there anything? Yeah, one second. You'll have to keep the microphone next to your mouth and speak.
We absolutely love you.
Thank you very much.
Please. Charlotte, my question to you is, I'm getting married in June 29, and what one advice would you be able to give me so I can have a successful marriage like you and your partner?
I didn't know you just need to. Is your would-be husband here? June 29? Okay, first of all, congratulations and mashallah, you're getting married. Just have patience, work out things. Is it a love marriage or an arranged marriage?
It's a love marriage.
Okay, how long have you known the boy? Is he here?
A long time. He's not come with me today, no. I've come with my sisters instead. She's mad about you. She's absolutely loves
Thank you very much. I mean, just be patient, love him a lot, and work things around. It's not very dramatic to get married. I think it's just very simple and straightforward. And trust each other, give each other enough
Just before we
space.
go, we want to give you something and we want you to join in. तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम यार होता है दीवाना सनम यहाँ से कहाँ जाए हम तेरी बाहों में बन जाए
Again, I'll do that. It's one of the favorite things that I've done, so I'll do the same thing for you. तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम अब यहाँ से कहाँ जाए हम तेरी बाहों में मर जाए हम. Thank you. That was very sweet. Thank you very much.
Hello. Hi, Shahrukh. It's Khalid. Here in the middle.
Where are you?
Here.
Oh, yeah, okay.
I've got my wonderful daughter here, Aisha.
Aisha, how are you?
It's her birthday in a few months, and she's written a card especially for you. Just wondering if you could say a dialogue for Aisha as well.
Okay,
If
you
you
tell me. What films has she seen? Has she seen any of my Aisha? Have you seen any of my films? So what dialogue do you want to hear?
She likes your Jab Tak Hai Jaan.
Jab tak hai jaan. Okay, let me think of a dialogue which is more a little sweeter. Jab tak hai jaan was too serious, right? Which one should I do? I can. Okay, Dun Dun London.
Dun Dun London.
Well, let me do a film from. Okay, let me do a dialogue from Bazigar. She may not have seen it. It was
Okay.
before time, yeah.
This one's dedicated to Aisha.
Okay, this one's dedicated to Aisha for the film which was made about 15 years before she was born. Bazigar, okay. मैं जानता हूँ कि तुम जानना चाहती हो कि मैं जानबूझकर रेस हार क्यों गया तुम्हारे लिए, क्योंकि अगर मैं ये रेस जीत जाता तो तुम्हारा दिल टूट जाता, और आयशा मैं तुम्हारी जैसी खूबसूरत हसीना दिल का कैसा तोड़ सकता हूँ. शायद इसलिए ने कहा है, शायद इसलिए किसी ने कहा है, कभी कभी कुछ जीतने के लिए कुछ हारना पड़ता है, और हार कर जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं. Thank you very much, darling. And happy birthday in advance, Aisha. God bless you and be happy.
Hello.
Please bring a microphone here for her also. You'd like to speak, darling? Yeah? I'll come and meet her. I'll come and meet her. How are you, darling? Thank you so much. That's very sweet. Thank you so much. Thank you, darling. Thank you. Thank you, Hassan. Thank you, Nuwaida. Thank you. I didn't do it. No, not at all. Yeah. Good to see you both. Walaikum salam. God bless you, God. मुझे मालूम है आप कुछ नहीं करेंगे.
Hello. To your left, Shahrukh.
Shahrukh, on the left. On your left.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam.
I just wanted to say, I've got one question, which is, what's the secret to your success? And secondly,
loves you. And मेरा छोटा भाई है यहाँ, वो मेरी मॉम उसको राहुल कहती है। जो आपका बोल था ना कुछ कुछ होता है, वो कहती है वो राहुल बने, उसको राहुल कहती है। तो प्लीज मेरी मॉम के लिए एक डायलॉग कह देंगे, कुछ कुछ होता है मूवी में से।
कुछ कुछ होता है वो तो मैंने बताया। Any dialogue do you remember from कुछ कुछ होता है?
When you talk to your mom in that movie. And then what's the secret to your success?
I don't know. I think you all people have been very kind to me. I don't know. I just work and try and work very hard. And sometimes things go right, sometimes they don't go as well. But I want to thank you. Actually, I'm sorry I didn't do that. I always do that, and I say it from the bottom of my heart. Everyone here in Birmingham, England, everywhere, all your families are. First of all, thank you for making me the star that I am. Thank you very much. Bahut bahut shukriya. Really. I mean that. My whole family, my kids, my wife, everybody is extremely thankful for giving me this wonderful opportunity to work for you all. So that said, I don't know. Let me think of a dialogue from.
My mom's name is Nasreen. Please, if you could.
Okay, for Nasreen, I'll complete the dialogue from Om Shanti Om. Okay.
Please, yeah.
Okay. और अगर किसी चीज को पूरे दिल से चाहो तो सारी कायनात तुम्हें उससे मिलाने की साजिश में लग जाती है। आप लोगों ने मुझे मेरी चाहत से मिलाया, थैंक्स वेरी मच। कहते हैं फिल्मों की तरह जिंदगी में भी जिंदगी की तरह फिल्मों की तरह जिंदगी में भी अंत में सब कुछ ठीक ही हो जाता है, और अगर ठीक ना हो तो पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है। So I truly believe in all the young people here. I want to wish you this, that there will be days and times when you think things are not going right, but do trust God, Allah, Bhagwan, and know this in your hearts, that if things are not good today, finally they'll all be good. You'll be happy and you'll be healthy, and all will be good. So always trust that and keep working hard. I mean, that's the only way you'll be successful, I think.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi Sharon, over here on your right. On your right. Hello.
Hello, darling.
My name's Poona.
Poona?
Yep.
Yes, Poona.
I have a quick question for you. You've worked with loads of different stars and actresses. Who's been your favourite?
If I tell you now, when I get back to Mumbai, they'll beat me up the ones I don't name.
You have to choose.
No, I can't choose. I've had some really beautiful moments with, initially to begin with, my very close friends, Madhuri and Tui. I had some really nice moments with them. They're still friends. Our kids play together. Then, of course, Kajol. I think I've made some wonderful films with her. Rani Mukherjee. She's a close friend.
Thanks.
And Aishwarya has been very nice. I'm very close to her. And now, amongst the young girls, I'm very fond of Deepika and Priyanka. And Katrina sweet too. Anushka, yes, she's very sweet. Yeah. Anushka is wonderful.
Would you be able to give us a dialogue from
From? I don't know, I just know this one. Which one? Do you know the dialogue? If you remind me, I'll do it for you. Okay, I'll do a Devdas for you. I don't know if you like Devdas, okay? Okay, I'm sorry, I don't drink, so I won't sound drunk, in spite of what people think, but I'll try my best. कम वक्त बर्दाश्त करने के लिए पीता, हम तो पीते हैं कि यहाँ पर बैठ सकें, तुम्हें देख सकें, तुम्हें बर्दाश्त कर सकें, पर एक पारों की याद है जो भुलाई नहीं चाहती। That's all. I forgot the rest of it.
Hello.
Hello. Good evening.
Good evening. My name is Javed. I'm from Hale in Cheshire.
Yeah. Say again your name. I didn't get. Sorry.
Javed.
Javed. Assalamualaikum, Javed.
Walaikum Assalam. Lovely to meet you and lovely to speak to you. I missed you when you came to Devonport Green Hall.
Ah.
So today was my chance finally to meet you.
Thank
I
you,
have a
Javed.
question for you. From what I read about you, from what I hear about you, you have a great philosophy in life. You adopt Islam, you adopt Hinduism. How do you explain that, and how does that work in your life? How does that manifest itself in your life?
I don't know. I truly see. By birth, I'm Muslim. I've been born and brought up like a Muslim. I have a Hindu wife, and whenever I talk about secularism and goodness, I think all religions finally do teach us to just be together. you know, when we see all of us together in a congregation like this, everybody's so happy, mashallah. Everybody's enjoying themselves at workplaces. Never does religion come in the way of creating any strife. But then we keep hearing people, leaders and political people and journalism, which keeps on provoking us to talk wrongly in terms of religion. So my children are brought up like how you guys are together. That, you know, everybody should be together, be happy, and, you know, judge each other on the love we give each other. And that's how I've lived my life so far, mashallah, and it's been very nice. Yeah, I'm really sorry. I know this is not a serious place to talk all this, but I truly believe, because, you know, we all are Asians. We are coming from countries which have had issues and strifes and problems. But the most beautiful moment for me is when all of us are together, you know, and we don't consider, you know, which country we are from, what color, what religion, and we are so happy together. And that's how I think, inshallah, we should all live, really.
Hi! Charlotte,
Yeah.
I'm Jabari Barber.
Say it again, darling.
I'm Jabari Barber.
Okay.
And I'd like to ask that, do you like detention? Hello? Do you like...
Do I like detention?
do you like detention, or do you find it sometimes difficult to cope with?
What, sorry?
The attention.
The attention, sorry. Oh, sorry, I thought you thought I was still in school.
From your fans?
Yeah, no, I love the fact. I don't know if I would be able to live if I went out of my house and people didn't love me so much. I love it. Only sometimes when I'm with my kids, then I like to have some private time, but that I do at home. But when I'm outside, I'd actually, you know, people ask me very often, why do I do a meet and greet like this? I only do it, honestly, apart from some wonderful people who've been able to organize it. I only do it so just to be able to get in touch with people who have, like I said, made me who I am. So I like the fact that I can talk with you, let you know that I'm absolutely a regular guy. I'm not some big star like you see on movies. And what I do for a living is very different from the way I am. So I like the fact that I'm able to talk with people and, you know, meet up with them. Thank you so much, Ali. Thank you very much, I love you too.
Shahrukh, over here. Hi, I'm Sonia and I've come all the way from Scotland.
Sonia.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm good, Sonia.
ठीक ठाक, कितना सेक्स हो?
बिल्कुल एकदम fit फाड़ा.
Okay, I'd like to ask you something for me. It's my birthday today, and I would like you to give me something for my birthday. And I was wondering if we could have a wee dance or a sing song, whichever one suits you.
You'd like to dance with me, Sonia, on your
yes,
birthday?
I would love to dance
okay,
with
come
you.
on stage, yeah, come.
Seriously?
And please bring along the lady who got hurt last time, this young girl with you, so we can dance with her also. Come, okay. Now tell me your name. Come, Sonia. Happy birthday to you. Yes, most certainly. Yes, sir. Okay, I don't know if they have music for you. Do you have, what do you want to do? Chamachalo? Yeah? Chamachalo? Which song do you want to do? Gangnam Style. I don't know how to do. We'll do Chamachalo. Come on. Come on. Thank you very much, darling.